Hello and welcome to number 27 Jonquil Circ at Flinders View. My name is Richard Bird from Raine and Horne. I hope you enjoy this video. The home has just had a brand new fresh coat of paint go throughout the interior. It's had new carpets, obviously some new flooring there that you can see. It is seriously one of the best neighbourhoods in Flinders View. It really is a nice neighbourhood. Families, downsizers, young professionals, first home buyers. This home really needs to be on your list. I hope to see you here soon. Again, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Look, I know it's not the most exciting video, but I hope it's helpful. It's just supposed to be a walkthrough that gives you the opportunity to find and feel the layout. For those of you that can't be here, for those of you that can and want to have a second look, I hope it's been at least a little bit helpful. My name is Richard Bird from Raine and Horne, Ipswich. My contact number is 0448 418 518. That's 0448 418 518. Call me anytime. We can arrange a private inspection or come through one of the open homes that we may have. I'd love to see you here. And again, if you physically can't be here, I hope this video has been of some assistance. Thank you and bye-bye.